This is my second time. I came last year as a first-time visit, and I swore I was going to come back every time they had one of these again. I really enjoy them. So the setup is really nice. It's relaxed. I think it's very conducive for those of us who come in from the field kind of tense to actually learn something.
Stock Building Supply, we've been in the market 90 years this year, and our customers have come to count on us to be education providers. So our customers are always excited when they get to come and learn new installation techniques.
And the importance is really about educating builders on what the best practices are. You know, how do you build a house the most efficient way? And you know, there's a lot of changes going on with building practices. There's energy code movement going on, and builders are thirsty for that information. So really our intent is to educate the builder. You know, I think this is a great collection of getting the builder together to learn about how to do things right the first time. That translates to saving money long term.
We have 4 sessions that we primarily target. Each one is an hour long. We schedule a break in between. We start off with the window and door installation for the stock events. After that, we get into the floor systems. What we want to try to do here is help the builder to appreciate there's a lot of choices out there in the building industry. If you choose a good quality product and use it appropriately, you're not going to have a problem with your building later on.
Mike Sloggett is fantastic, and the reason he relates so well is he's one of them. You know, he's a builder himself, he's a remodeler, and when he speaks to our customers, he speaks their language.
Afternoon session we've retweaked this year because it's going to deal with energy codes. Energy codes are really important to us as builders because they're going to change the way we work. We have to build more energy efficient homes, and in order to do that, the techniques have to change. You've got to throw out the old way of doing it and adopt some new technology.
He's an old school kind of guy, you can tell. I like him. He's doesn't use a whole lot of fancy words, and you know, he makes it pretty easy to understand what he's doing. He's a pretty good teacher. I think he does a great job.
We get into the last session. It's going to be about roof framing. We're going to frame a rafter, show the technology of how to use a calculator to lay out a rafter. The old step method's not required anymore. And then finish it off with the zip system, show them how to integrate the roof system to the wall system and eliminate any possibilities of water and air leakage through those areas that have been problematic for years.
After last year's meeting, I used the zip wall system for the first time and really enjoyed it. I thought it was a great product. I would put it on my personal house, as a matter of fact.
It's important to have these kind of events and to attend them for continuing education and to make sure we're current on the latest products because they change, and making sure you know the best installation of these products. If you're not reviewing it on a regular basis, you'll make mistakes installing them even though they're good products.
One of the biggest things that we as a company are trying to push this year is the repair remodel segment specific to green building or Energy Star building practices.
We have a lot of customers that are willing to try the newest and latest products to help differentiate their houses in the marketplace.
Well, it's a great opportunity for Huber to really connect with builders at a very professional but relaxed setting. You know, we've heard from them repeatedly that they want more training and education, especially in areas around energy codes and Energy Star standards and how they can build to those standards moving forward. There's a lot of confusion in the marketplace about how to accomplish those standards. So this gives us an opportunity to really teach them.
When Stock put these presentations on, I used to be the guy that avoided them. Now I come to every one that I possibly can to learn. That's why I come.
They're missing out if they don't come. You know, you get to meet different people, you get to learn different techniques. They're missing out. They need to come.
Take the time out of your day and definitely get to these and learn more about the products.